Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add admin to an Instagram account. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is make sure that you have installed the Business Suite app on your phone. If not, don't worry because it's available to both Android and iOS devices. You just need to head to your Google Play Store or App Store and install it. This will make it super easy. Now, once you have your Business Suite app, open it. As you can see it here, it's stated log in with Facebook. But we were gonna use our Instagram account, so you just need to click log in with a different account type. And from here, there will be an option to log in with Instagram. So click on that and connect your Instagram. You need to have a professional account before you can log in your Instagram account via Meta Business Suite app. Now from here, you want to add an admin to your Instagram account, professional account. What you need to do is click on the three horizontal lines located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And it will show you these options. You just need to click on Settings and People. From here, you can already add an admin or someone that you would like to be an admin to your Instagram account. You just need to click on the plus sign button located at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you need to type in the email address of that person. For example, okay, and you need to click next. And it will ask what access you would like to give to that person. Is it basic access or you want a full control? So you can toggle it on and click next. And this is the review part. You just need to review all the details, and after that's done, you just need to confirm by clicking send request. And it will send an invite to the person's email, and they just need to accept it. And that's it. That's how you add admin to your Instagram account. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!